In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Zendesk. First, head over to shopify.com and click on the Start for Free option in order to actually sign up. You can also click on this login if you already have an account. Next, head over to zendesk.com and enter right here the work email that you wish to use and click on this Try for Free. You can also proceed to sign in if you want, if you already have an account. So since I have an account on both of them, I'll just proceed to sign in. Now here is my Shopify and I already have in here my online store. So what we can do is we just need to link our Shopify to Zendesk by clicking onto this add option under the apps. Click onto this right here. From in there, scroll down, click onto this Shopify App Store option. Then after that, this will redirect us to the Shopify App Store. Just wait for this to be successfully loaded, and once it's done, click onto this search bar right here. Search in here for Zendesk. After that, it should be able to show you in here these options. So as you can see, we have all sorts of things right here. Now, if you can find Zendesk on the end of Shopify, what you can do is you can also find Shopify on the end of Zendesk. So here we have it on the marketplace for Zendesk. Click on this install option. Then select in here the account that you wish to install this. Click on install and then after that, just wait for this to be connected. So it will actually redirect you to the admin center to show you up under the connection that we have. It will show up under the apps and integrations as well. Now here are Zendesk. Click onto this install option. Then after that, just wait for this to load. From in there, proceed to click on this install. And once it's done installing, proceed to set up your account using this. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.